Hey friends, welcome you all to Unstoppable Digital Traveling Oxygen for Life. Friends, in this episode, as promised in the last one, we are visiting one of the popular tea factory in Coonoor. Your Coonoor visit or Ooty visit will be incomplete without going to any of the tea factories. Learn the process from the base, from the core, and see how a tea journey, how tea travels from garden to cup. Stay back with us till the end to see all the processes, all the experiences that I get here for all of you unfolds now.
फर्स्ट स्टेप विदरिंग प्रोसेस 10 to 12 hours हॉट एंड कोल्ड में विदरिंग करना पड़ेगा फैन का हवा इसके नीचे आता है फैन अभी चालू.
So friends, as you have heard, the very first step of the tea manufacturing process is the withering process, where in this drought they try to remove the moisture. They have switched on the fan that you can see, and there is a mixture of hot and cold air which actually was passing through. People could feel that actually, and all the tea leaves were actually getting dried up in this place. So that's the first step once they pick up the tea leaves from the tea garden. Usually when tea is plucked from the tea garden, moisture content of 70 to 80% is actually comes down, friend, and further when you put it into this type of tea dryer, it brings down the content around 2 to 3% further by weight. So see, the lady here shows us the next step. There is a hole here that you can all see just next to the tea dryer machine.
Once you put it inside, then it is
Go straight down.
Yes, this tea leaves look so fresh, friends, isn't it? Just when it is plucked and out of the garden and taken to the factories.
Yes, sir. ये डायरेक्टली टी गार्डन से आ रहा है क्या? ये डायरेक्टली टी गार्डन से आ रहा है? ओके.
Friends, do you know Nilgiris actually became home to the tea plantations after British have bought the seeds out of China just for experimental purposes and spread it across the southern part of India, apart from planting it in Darjeeling area. So this definitely became a success.
उधर फिल्टर करना स्मॉल बिग सेपरेट करना.
Yes, and then they need to segregate small and large particles after fermentation.
This is grinding process.
You can see, friends, filter tea is coming out. So this grinding process.
No, the smell was not good at this point of time, friends, in the process of manufacturing.
The smell is not very good, but I guess ultimately when it is processed, it will be a good smell.
Definitely. This is where the grinding happens.
Leave the stem and fiber.
ऐसा ग्राइंड हो जाता है क्या, फाइन ग्राइंड लास्ट में ऐसा होता है? ठीक है,
कटिंग करके बाद फिल्टर करना है सर।
Okay,
फिल्टर
okay.
करके बाद फर्मेंटेशन, इसके बाद ड्रायर टी रोस्ट करना है। इसके बाद ये मिक्स में डालेगा और लीफ का स्टेम एंड फाइबर सेपरेट निकालेगा।
ओके ओके। आपका नाम मैडम?
रेणुका।
रेणुका, थैंक यू मैम। आगे क्या है इसमें, क्या होता है?
इसमें लीफ का स्टेम एंड फाइबर सेपरेट निकाल दिया।
ओके।
At this point of time, we were actually getting the smell of the real tea powder, friends.
फाइबर निकाल के बाद इधर फिल्टर करना है। इसमें अलग अलग साइजेस।
Hey, Jewel, show me what you are doing. In your hand, tea powder.
टी पाउडर
Say tea powder. Tea powder.
सर, उधर फाइबर निकाल के बाद इधर फिल्टर करना सर।
Okay.
अलग अलग साइजेस।
ओके ओके ओके। तो वो जाने के बाद ये बैग में फाइनल पैकिंग होता है।
Cutting, filtration, fermentation, drying, roasting, and finally packaging, friends.
टेस्ट करने के लिए ही टेस्ट कर सकते हैं। ओके ओके। So friends, we can taste sample tea also.
Do you really think so much when you drink a cup of tea?
So we are slowly coming
Think
out
now.
of the tea factory, and there is a sample testing unit which provides.
Ma is the most happiest one
For
now
sampling.
because we are going to taste all varieties of teas and then she is going to choose the one which she wants to buy. After all, this is what she takes.
Okay.
She's a complete tea lover, friends.
इलायची, दिस इलायची टी सर। इलायची टी ट्राई करेंगे।
इसमें शुगर डाला हुआ है।
हाँ, शुगर डाल दिया सर। इलायची टी ऑल टी टेस्ट अभी ट्राई करो मैम।
This is masala tea.
दिस इलायची
Elaichi.
लिटिल
This
टी
How?
smell is very good.
ट्राई कर सर। लिटिल
This is elaichi tea we are trying,
इलायची ट्री।
and the smell is very good.
ओके।
The purchase outside.
Ma, you want any food? Nah. Ma, you want tea?
इट्स गुड।
Yes.
अच्छा है।
I will taste all.
All taste.
I will purchase there. Every year I am coming.
How is it?
Love you, Ma.
Is it good? You can say that.
Elaichi is cardamom.
Already adding madam.
Cardamom tea.
Jewel, you'd like
This
to
is
taste?
why Jewel gets angry with you, Papa. First you will say you want to taste and then you will not give her.
Second, this is masala tea that they are saying.
So which one is better?
Second type, let's see how this tastes.
Jewel, come here, Jewel.
You can find a lot of masalas here. Could be cinnamon, could be cardamom, could be mix of something else also. Tej patta.
Which tea is it? Ki chai
Which
ka?
one is better so far? Elaichi tea. Cardamom tea is ranking 1, friends, so far out of masala tea, plain tea, cardamom tea. Cardamom tea is ranking 1. Let's see if we have anything better.
Okay.
ये टी लीव्स है ना, वो भी बॉयल करता है।
Fourth one is black tea or the liquor tea without mixing tea.
You have ready green tea available here? Here green tea is there. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ taste. Green tea has lot of health benefits,
Green
right?
tea health benefits, sir. Weight loss, cholesterol,
Okay, okay.
sugar डायबिटिकल अच्छा
बट इज
green tea।
इट
ग्रीन टी
इसमें
में कुछ
शुगर नहीं है, कुछ नहीं डाला है?
ओरिजिनल ग्रीन टी
Okay.
नो शुगर नो मिल्क लेमन और हनी डाला ना टेस्ट थोड़ा डिफरेंट है।
ओके, तो ये पीओ है।
This is
hold.
green tea in the tea factory. Benchmark tea factory in Coonoor, friends. They just process it here as you have seen him showing. And now it is the sample tea tasting time.
How is it?
Anything what is healthy cannot be so much tasty.
Definitely.
That's why. But it is not bad. It's nice. You can mix lemon, honey, and we can have this.
By the way,
So-
friends, if any of you are drinking green tea, there's a quick piece of information you must be knowing. If not, hear it out. We learned from the tea factory, you should never boil green tea. You should boil the water and then just add the green tea leaves, leave it for 1 or 2 minutes, and then you can drink it directly, but never
We
boil
have
it.
tasted here, friends. We have tasted. We started with elaichi tea, then we had masala tea. We have tasted normal tea. We have tasted green tea, and what is the fifth one?
Cardamom.
Cardamom. No, that's the first one. Elaichi is also called cardamom. It's
Okay.
cardamom in English. I think best one is elaichi tea.
Wow.
Wow. Our side
How you feeling, Jewel?
very nice.
How you feeling? We will go to this one right now.
Now we're going to buy also tea, friends.
Go inside. Go
Both my
inside.
parents are fond of tea, especially mom, so she will not go without buying tea. See what and all she buys.
Which kind of oils are here? Eucalyptus only. Body pain.
Variety of different types of oils with medicinal values are also available in these all factories, friends. In fact, in the entire Coonoor and even in the Ooty, in Ooty the cost would be higher, but if you can take it from Coonoor, you will get it in cheaper rate. Eucalyptus oil, different types of oils which is helpful for the body pain, arthritis pain are available in this place, friends. Apart from that, you can buy chocolates, different types of tea cups, and of course Nilgiri tea, which is produced and manufactured here in Coonoor.
Friends, we are having a cozy walk in the tea garden of.
Jewel, look here. Look at the camera.
Friends, guess what? We are walking
In the clouds.
in the clouds in the tea garden of Coonoor.
And she started already. And this is the tea garden behind
This is the
us.
background tea garden of Coonoor.
Jewel, come here. Come here, come here, come here. And say our viewers. Hello viewers. How are you all? We are in Coonoor.
And I don't drink tea.
But I love the weather. Weather. Yeah.
Yes.
So beautiful, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So beautiful weather, isn't it? Just like you. It's just like a movie shooting going on. So it seems we are in a different place altogether and enjoying with my kiddo Jewel. Are you enjoying? So it's time for us to head back. Some more places to explore. Jewel is having a wonderful time here, and so are we. So basically the weather is like this most of the time. If it is completely sunny, then you wouldn't find this kind of cloud. Yes, Jewel, what is it? Yes, tell me. What do you want? Yeah. You want chocolates? Okay, now you want chocolates. When we offered you chocolate, you didn't take.
She will not have any chocolate.
And here is the Benchmark Tea Factory, just behind me. And we have also shown you the video from the inside the factory and how the tea is being processed.
So friends, we hope you like this video. We tried to capture the entire journey in the tea garden and how the manufacturing team are working, processing of the tea inside, sample tasting of tea, and then finally buying here. There's a shop just outside the factory where you can also buy different types of teas, oils,
Chocolates. And
masalas are
let me show you around what are the kind of things that is available. Start.
Types of tea I purchased.
So what is the tea we got?
Cardamom tea, green tea, and normal tea. Orthodox.
Okay. Jewel is quite excited because her friends are here.
Jewel is thinking this is a perfect place to play peekaboo, friends. She can hide and we can search her. Peekaboo.
Okay, look here, look here.
Say to all viewers, peekaboo. Peekaboo. Search me. Search me. Catch me.
मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो
Absolutely.
तुमसे करता है. मेरा दिल भी कितना पागल है, ये प्यार तो तुमसे करता है. Yes, was picturized in this place, friends.
Where are you?
So after this enriching experience, it was time for us to head back to Ooty from Coonoor, friends. How did you like this episode? Let me know, put your comments, and don't forget to subscribe the channel if you are joining first time to us. If you are visiting us, be part of the family who takes you to a new destination every week digitally, friends.